Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a safe bet for transfers without wild price swings. Whether you're moving funds for trading or just consolidating your wallets, this step-by-step guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure you have both Trust Wallet and Coinbase apps installed on your device and that your accounts are verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions and to avoid any hiccups. Now, open up your Trust Wallet app and navigate to your USDT holdings. You'll see a list of your assets. Tap on USDT to select it. Next, head over to Coinbase. Log in, go to your wallet section, and find your USDT address. It's super important to double-check this address because crypto transfers are irreversible. Copy that address carefully. Back in Trust Wallet, hit the Send button for USDT, paste in the Coinbase address, and enter the amount you want to transfer. Don't forget to check the network. USDT on Trust Wallet is usually on the Ethereum or Tron network, so match it with what's supported on Coinbase to avoid fees or failed transfers. Once everything looks good, review the transaction details, including any gas fees, and confirm. You'll get a confirmation prompt. Go ahead and approve it. Now, sit tight. Transfers can take anywhere from a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Keep an eye on your Coinbase account to confirm when the USDT arrives. A quick word of caution. Always use the correct network to prevent losing your funds, and never share your private keys. If you're new to this, start with a small amount to test. There you have it. That's how you transfer USDT from Trust Wallet to Coinbase in 2025. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.